Tinasalak ko isang game. 3 beses yata sa bilangan ni Tinasalak eh.
Yung 7-footer naman si Tinasalak.
Si Jay Normie kayo eh. Oh, nice block there by Derder. Morato has to attack. Good cover by Morente. Lazaro keeping it alive. Derder is out of position. Pineda. Saed. Benito. And Eliza gets to the cross. Ahomiro gets it in.
Blessing of mine by Ateneo.
Again, Ahomiro doing the right thing at the right time. Again, Eliza Valdez. Tama bilang ni Eliza. Third ball. Tinawin din. Nagulat si Chisahin. Ha-serve na ang Cagayan Valley at then Amy Ahomiro. Just drops it in. Sabi ni Angelo nga. 1 point lead. Parang Army versus Ateneo din ito ng isang araw. Good serve by Morente. Eulalio, masyado mababa. Morado to Ahomiro. Chisahin is there. Joy Benito. And Morente barely gets it across. Kapitan ng Cabangero.
Good rally.
Morado going over to Derder. And King Bangao is back. And that's a goal. Pamewang kay Morado.
Natawa na lang sila talaga.
Parang hindi tayo talong coach.
Oo nga eh. Pero yung reaction sana rin
Coach din ang tawag niya rito eh. Then Morado and then... Oh.